What is up, you guys? MiniMe here. Welcome to my 1.8 modding tutorial. Today we're going to be setting up the workspace and the basic mod files that are needed. First, you're going to need to download the Minecraft Forge source from the website. So open up your web browser and navigate to files.minecraftforge.net. Once you're there, go over to the download recommended and press source. And then wait 6 seconds and press skip. I'm not going to do that because I've already downloaded it. Once you have it downloaded, place it on your desktop and right-click on it and press Extract to Forge. And it should create a folder on your desktop. Once you have that folder on your desktop, you're going to open it, and then we're going to Shift, right-click, and press Open Command Window here. Once that opens, we're going to type in gradlu setup decomp workspace. Now make sure you have it spelled correctly, and then press Enter. This can take quite a while to set up, so I'll be back when it's done. When that's done, we're going to type in gradlu Eclipse. Now that's going to set up the Eclipse workspace to allow us to use Eclipse to do our modding. Once that's done, you can close out the command window. So that should have done everything we needed. So now we're going to test it by opening up Eclipse. So now that we're in Eclipse, we're going to browse to the folder that we just created on our desktop and click on Eclipse. Now press OK, and then OK again. If the example mod is there, then you did it correctly. Now we're going to minimize that, and we're going to create a few folders. So open up the source folder, open up the main folder, and then open up the resources folder. Now in here, we're going to right click and create a new folder, and we're going to name that folder Assets. So inside of the Assets folder, we're going to create a new folder that's the name of your mod. So I'm just going to create mine as mod. So inside of that folder, we're going to create 4 new folders. The first folder is going to be called Block States. The next one is going to be titled Lang. The next one is Models. And the last one is Textures. So inside of the Models folder, we're going to create 2 new folders. One named Block, no S, and another named Item, no S. Now inside of the Textures folder, we're going to create 3 new folders. The first one is going to be named Blocks with an S. The second one is going to be named Models. And the third one is going to be Items. Now if you go back to your Eclipse, you should have all of the folders that we just created on the left side under Source Main Resources. So now let's get started by creating the basic mod files. So first we're going to get started by deleting the com.example.example mod. So now we're going to right click on Source Main Java, and we're going to create a new package. And we're going to name this package com. The name of your mod. So I'm simply just going to make mine mod. So inside of the com.mod, we're going to right click and create new class. And we're going to name that tutorial mod, or you can name it whatever yours is. So if your mod is Skype, you can do a Skype mod. So once you've created that class, we're going to leave it as is for now. So now we're going to right click on Source Main Java, and we're going to create a new package, and we're going to name it the name of your mod proxy in all lowercase. Then we're going to right click on com.mod.proxy and create a new class and name it common proxy. And we're going to create another new class named client proxy. And inside the client proxy, we're going to type extends common proxy. And then inside the brackets, we're going to type @override public void register renders. The register renders will give an error for now, but we'll fix that later. Now go back inside your common proxy and create public void register renders. And inside com.mod, we're going to create a new class, and we're going to name it reference. And inside there, we're going to create public static final string mod underscore ID equals tutorial. Everything inside has to be a lowercase. So under that, we're going to create public static final string mod underscore name equals the name of your mod. So if your mod was furniture, you would type furniture. Or if it was, in my case, tutorial, I would type tutorial with a capital T. So now under that, we're going to put public static final string version equals 1.0. So underneath that, we're going to create public static final string client underscore proxy underscore class equals com.mod.proxy.client proxy. And then you just want to highlight that line that we just created and paste it underneath. And we're going to change client to common on both the client underscore proxy underscore class and the com.mod.proxy.client proxy. And now we're done with the reference class. Now let's go back into our tutorial mod and let's type a few things in there. So now above public class tutorial mod, we're going to type @mod parentheses mod ID equals reference dot mod underscore ID comma name equals reference dot mod underscore name comma version equals reference dot version. I just realized that I messed up and created that a lowercase n, so I'm going to change that now. And now you need to import mod. So now inside the brackets, we're going to type @cited proxy parentheses client side equals reference dot client underscore proxy underscore class comma server side equals reference dot common underscore proxy underscore class. And then under that, we're going to type public static common proxy proxy. And then import cited proxy and import common proxy. Now under that, we're going to type @event handler public void pre-init FML pre-initialization event. And then import event handler and import pre-initialization event. So now copy and paste that underneath it and change pre-init to just init. on both the beginning and inside pre-initialization event, and then import that. Now we're going to paste it one more time, and we're going to change init to post init on both sides. And then we're going to import that. And then we're going to paste it one more time, and we're going to change post init to load. And we're going to change post initialization event to just initialization event. And now that we have all that, we're going to go into the post init, and we're going to type proxy.register renders. And that should be it. Now if we press play, we should have the mod with nothing in it. So if you click on mods, you should see your mod in the mods section. In the next episode, we'll learn how to create blocks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.